breakdown, guys. Yeah, I have installed a clock code. And yeah, I use AI. And if you're afraid, but AI is taking over. Yes, AI is supposedly taking over stuff. Yeah, that's the reason this is a tech video, guys. AI is taking over. I'm sorry to say this, but literally everything. Literally everything. Save your jobs, because AI can take them. Indeed. Right, actually, for installation details, you can like install it from another source. So installing and setting this up for free takes like an hour to do this, but so like my tools or like so for today, I'm going to explain you Claude and Claude solely. Okay, since Claude is for beginners, and for beginners this is huge because like Claude is actually it can replace everything. It can replace your coding. It can automate stuff. It can directly write files. It's huge, man. You have to try this out, and yeah, you need some like energy drink since this is gonna be a long class. Yes, this is clock code, and yeah, I'm using a free model low effort because I want to be able to teach you guys. So first, let's say hello, Claude. Hey, hello, Claude. It's like a generous tip to an AI because if you do that, the conversation flows more steadily. That's what I think. I need to go drink some water right now. Last few minutes. How do I log in error? Right now, this is the like biggest mistake. You want to log in error, you don't ask it. You just ask it to do it. Like you don't want to manually run like 15 commands, and yeah, AI can run them in like multitask, and the clipboard contain new text. Yes, copy to clipboard. Yeah, yeah. So I need to tell you guys hello. How can help you today? Okay. So what do you guys want to build? Okay. I right now I just wanna make something good like I don't know, make make a Node.js based app, which is a calculator, calculator, calculator dark themed, must look like Windows 11. Bam, you describe it, Claude builds it. Now, I'm not trying to sponsor these guys and nerd out, but this is actually really cool because if you get out of base stuff, like you can replace your whole job with this thing. You just type one and you can relax with an energy drink or something. Here's a Node.js style application. Yes, it's like giving me the code. It's gonna write the code on its own. But if it doesn't, we have to like tell it to do it because sometimes they can make mistakes. Look, it's like function calculate. It's generating all these. And one more thing, AI in your terminal is like it can access your files directly, so you don't have to install Electron script. Okay, now can you do all that for me? For me, Claude, please. Please. I mean, I prefer a user-friendly interaction with my AIs. Okay. Okay, let's see. Dynamic workflows. These tips are ultra code. No, you do not want to use ultra code for open words. Like consumes huge amounts of like stuff. So yeah, you do not want to. It's building it right now. It's like, yo, it's building it right now while you're sipping coffee or water or cool drink or whatever. But this thing is actually doing it. I'll create the Windows 11 Doctor app for you. Let me set up all of that. It will store the dependencies if you give it the permissions to. It can basically do anything if you ask it to. But if you like buy the Claude instead of using OpenRoar like me, I'm pretty sure like you can do some more stuff, and it's actually good to use Claude since Claude is like a big brain. Yeah, that thing is like big brain, super big brain, and yeah, that brain is so big that even I sometimes think that it's too big. Rainbow slash calculator. Hey, you can interrupt this thing right now. I want to interrupt this since I do not want it to create a calculator right now in this file, because if it edits any core files on my current project that I'm working on, I interrupted you because I do not want this in this folder. Please use external home directory so that this project is untouched. I have to represent you. Okay, it's yeah, that's how you do it. So it's like you have like how to explain it what you're trying to do so that like AI can understand it fully and do it as you say. Now I say this is pretty overpowered, even though you're like a big old PC papa or like from Meta PC, that way I don't know. But you need to use these tools right now. These tools are taking over the market, and IT engineers, this is for you guys, okay? Software and IT engineers out there. Please use Claude. Do not waste your time building Excel. Claude can apply for jobs. It can even start businesses and so on. So at this point, I'm starting to feel if I know how to write my work. If this gets in the hands of like students, then yeah, it's done. I'm using it right now to like for my projects. But if this gets in the hands of students who like use technology for like educational purposes, then supposedly you guys are cool. Now most students don't use Linux and Terminal. Do everything for me. It's an orange means yeah, it does everything for me, and I just love it. How to sit here, and yeah, it does everything for you. And the best part is it's that it can like whirlpool. It can think. It can like it can think on its own. It can do whatever you say, but there's a like certain limit. That's the con. There is a certain limit if you're using the open ruler. You have to like not use the certain limit as so yeah. But I do not genuinely let that interpret me. So you guys can do whatever you want. This is supposedly guide. Now I don't know about y'all, but I think that this is actually good. I think that this is actually like manageable for me for like to access it, because if this is a tool that's for free, then yes, consider yourself cooked because your job are gonna get placed. Your friends can type everything and you can do nothing and just type something. Yeah, and auto accept edits on yeah. I let it because I trust my AIs. Open code, I use open code and other ones the most, but this one right here, this is something else. This one I use for like main important projects, like a important secondary. Now, mainly, this is actually the greatest project I've ever seen, because, like, I built an app with this while teaching how to use Claude to my mom. Like, she learned it, and we built a budget tracker app, and it was honestly pretty good. And yeah, this is pretty good. I'm gonna like say anything, but this is actually good. Claude Anthropic team, hand off to you guys for building this. This made my work a lot easy by like telling AI to do everything. Yeah, you actually made my work easy. Thank you so much, guys. This really helped me a lot. And one more thing I would like to say is add a free trial version so your users can use it for free for a bit of time. Like, no, don't add auto charge or something, just a normal free trial. This way people will actually like non-doubtingly use it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Good work, you guys. Document query selector. The thing is actually writing this many lines of code. Yes, it does not. It corrects Excel any time. It does everything you want. And calculator app readme can generate readme, copyright, license agreements, genuine Windows 11, docking with authentic color panel. Yeah, it's basically Replit in your terminal. But Replit is kind of outdated. So like I successfully created a file. Yeah, now transfer it up. Okay, okay, navigate to this folder. Let's actually test this out because if it works, then yeah, this is like our first lesson that I teach you. Do everything for me. Yes, Claude does everything for me. Shout out to these guys. CD home pi calculator. Actually, I can just use like the this thing, but I it's okay, Claude. You can sometimes make mistakes. Everyone does. Right now, this is just basically at this point, this is just ChatGPT in German, but much better. And yeah, this is good. And yeah, it can actually work files directly, and it can do the npm install, but like configuring and stuff, it's a bit hard for it to do. So yeah, do manually. So navigate to whole wait calculator app ls npm install. Yes, we have used npm install. It installs the some dependencies. Claude gives you like the easy steps to do it, and it does like the hard steps for programming and stuff. This is actually very useful. I rate this a 10 out of 10, but 8 out of 10 because if you guys keep improving, I'm pretty sure Anthropic can make a free version of this for students like me, and hopefully like make a better version. And this is actually so good right now. Yeah, okay, let's see. If this actually runs, you have to subscribe. And if you have already been here, so subscribe, I guess. I mean, I'm taught you all this so that I can get some subscribers. And I have decided to differentiate my channel. That means every one of my gaming videos will be in my Twitch. Every one of my reaction videos and reaction videos will be in both places, Twitch and YouTube. And however, my tech videos are exclusive to YouTube. Yes, because like Twitch is only for games, stream games option if you click it on mobile. So yeah, I'm actually kind of hooked. npm installs loading. I actually like this game because not like game exactly. This because in the game of IT you need to just evolve faster and like adapt faster because IT is information. Information like this, yeah, it's supposedly the best information you can get. So swap, we have this, we have local IP, we have basically everything we need, I Yes, yeah, our mouse is still moving, so this thing has not been frozen. It's doing the work. npm install is doing the work. Yes, yes. Why the hell did you jump scare me, Claude? Would you like to execute for Windows 11 distribution next? It actually like also yeah. I can actually start it right now, but first we want to let it install its dependencies first, so that everything is good to run. I've been yapping for a long time. First, I have to use Twitch, and after that, I had to like go to the bathroom and come back and yap huge. And the worst part, I cannot go to the walk because I'm in the middle of a video. Yeah, this is actually so good. Wait, this looks like Prime TV Plus and possibly weaker hardware since Quad is like. How much of memory are we using right now? 569 or 77 megabytes out of 731.20 megabytes. Megabytes and gigabytes and terabytes. See, your computer measures in terabytes, megabytes, and gigabytes, and not gigabytes, megabytes, and terabytes. Okay. Local IP, that's my local IP, and public. Alright, bro. My public IP address. Why the hell are you showing this right now? People can trace me down. You can hack me. Meh, I don't really care at this point. Uh, hey, I'm gonna give you some quick project. A quick project, real quick. Whenever the next time you wanna log on and on my videos, do a project like this and pin it down in the comment, and use Tailsphere or something to like funnel it so I can see it. And I'll reply to your comment. Subscribe to your channel. Like all your submits. Since I can't shadow like alright, you get banned. npm install is working. Bro, how much time is this gonna take? You guys ain't bored? Yeah. Okay, let me app a bit. Okay, I'm gonna nerd out a little bit. This is actually cool. This stuff is running in the cloud. Yes. Anthropic made this for you guys. And honestly, I see people think that AI is dangerous. AI is a bit dangerous, not that dangerous. Meanwhile, see me solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm doing a random scramble. Like, look, I'm doing a random scramble, bro. I can solve a Rubik's Cube, by the way. Look, I'm doing a completely random scramble. Okay? Now I'm solve it. Okay, first we need to make a cross. This is actually a legitimate method, by the way. You need to make a cross like a daisy. Tirana? Yeah. Yeah. If I solve this, you have to subscribe. Red, down, orange, down, down. Yes, you got the cross. His edges are aligned, blue to blue, or orange to orange. They're aligned. Okay, first let's follow the Rubik's cube. yeah, I'm making the first two layers right now. The first two layers. Okay, look, the second layer is completely solid. Now for the yellow cross, we have a centerpiece, so we're gonna do a ready algorithm. We got a hook, let's keep it there. Follow the line right here. Yes, we got a yellow cross right here. So we got our edges aligned. If you don't, you have to use like an algorithm to line them up. Okay, now let's get our corners right, the class. Okay, we got it right. Now let's follow it. Right. Okay, this one and bada boom and bam bam bam. There you go, the cube solid. Let's see, bro. I think it froze. Bro, I think my system froze. Okay, it froze likely because the processes were too heavy. Look, it's moving a little bit. I tell you what, close the thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Didn't that remove the connection, bro? Bro, didn't that sabotage the connection? Okay, let me stop the virtual. I just stopped the virtual machine. I don't know why. Okay, now my system is right now booting because like Claude is a bit heavy. Claude's a bit heavy, bro. And npm install on top of Claude, that's heavy as hell. So yeah, heavy cell. Now my Rubik's cube solver. I'm gonna do a cube trick. There you go. Alright, algorithms. There. And it goes on. My setup is kind of complicated. I'm moving the camera. Oh my god, it didn't follow me. Yo, 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 it's not. Let me connect it real quick. Stay on the line, bro. Any desk launched? Let me connect. Connection in progress. Please wait. Yes, we got that. Bam, bada boom. Okay, now let's go back to our terminal. Let's go back. So, let's run npm install again. Now this time it won't lie. Look, it's not gonna lie because like you have closed Clockwork. Yes, look, it's moving fine. Because like last time Clockwork was heavy and stuff. Now my swap is just fine. Bam. Kraken no longer. Deprecate is just a warm, so don't worry. Wands are deprecated. npmjf.com will support for more info. Contact support, yeah. Package is no longer supported. Boolean at the rate 3.2.0. It's loading. Zing, 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 zing. Ding, 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 da, ding, 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 da, ding, 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 da. Okay. Yo, is this so heavy, bro? Why is it so heavy? This is so heavy that my mouse has to like freeze every time. Oh, she has my mouse. Okay. Let's like restore this again, bro. Wait, it's actually happening. Yo, it's like it's heavy, but it works. Mm. I'm a nerd out because this is pretty cool. The API in Cloud, yeah, it generates the code and a specific doer, a specific application tells the code to write it. It's pretty cool, and yes, one high security vulnerability. It's okay. npm start. We have started our app. Finally, electronic electron calculating start. Now we should expect to see a window right here somewhere, right? Right? Yes. Error, failed call. Okay. Another yes. That's an error. Log the key. Right. This I don't know why is this cost. Nobody does know. But however, it's a warning I guess because Win11 calculator successfully opened up. That's right. We have Win11 calculator. We have a kid building his own calculator before GTA 6. Thanks, we got it. Okay, what's two plus two equals to? Is this calculator dumb? 2 plus 2 equals to. Yo, is this dumb, bro? 3, 6, 8, 2. Can you hear me, bro? Okay, it doesn't work, but hey, now you know how. If it doesn't work, you can actually ask Claude to do it, but I'm not gonna do that for freaking sake of the video. So thank you. Watch some video else.